Hi, and welcome to Flipdish. My name is Fionn. We are really excited to let you know that Flipdish have recently acquired Appaway, and will be using our powerful suite of tools to help your business increase online orders and reach and build a loyal customer base. Flipdish was founded in 2015 with a simple vision, helping food businesses like yours thrive in today's world of online ordering via state-of-the-art websites and apps that put your brand first. Flipdish is a proven and reliable partner with more than 5,000 customers in 20 countries, generating order revenues in excess of £200 million. With Flipdish, you can grow your customer base and keep them coming back thanks to automated loyalty and retention tools, customized SMS campaigns, SEO, social media campaigns, and marketing materials created by our in-house design team. We can even help you get set up for deliveries with our last mile delivery partners. You can find more information about this and all of our products at flipdish.com. I will be guiding you through your new products and features in the coming weeks to ensure a seamless transition to your new and improved web ordering services. Let's jump into it. The transition process. Each week, we will be moving businesses over to Flipdish in groups to ensure a smooth transition for every customer, with all businesses onboarded within a 3-month period. You will receive an email with the date for your transition a number of days before it's due to happen. Our aim is to make this process as simple and effortless as possible. We'll create your account on the Flipdish platform and transfer all your menu and pricing information across to get your store up and running instantly. We'll also set up your website as it is today, and if you have an iOS or Android app with Appaway, we will recreate them on the Flipdish platform. You'll still enjoy all the features you have today and have access to a host of new tools and features which will enable you to supercharge your online ordering and grow your business. Key steps in the transition. You will receive an email confirming that your restaurant is ready to be transferred to Flipdish. We'll set up your Flipdish portal, our easy-to-use platform for managing your website and apps, ready for launch. Please note that if you have an iOS app that is owned by Appaway, you will need to set up your own developer account and grant us access to publish it with Flipdish. Once you have access to the portal, you will be able to complete your Know Your Customer registration with our payment provider. You won't be able to receive orders until this is complete, so it's really important to get this done. You can find further instructions at help.flipdish.com. The next step will be to activate your brand new Flipdish terminal and printer and add them to your Flipdish portal account. Your terminal will be sent to you free of charge ahead of your activation. Please set it up as soon as you receive it to avoid any delays. Inside the terminal box, you will find a QR code. Scan this to access easy-to-follow instructions on terminal setup. Once you've started to receive orders on your Flipdish terminal, you can switch off and return your Appaway terminal to the address on the screen now. Please be sure to include your business name and address when returning your old terminal. Next, you'll receive a delivery of your custom marketing kit. We recommend displaying the contents in your store and adding the leaflets to all of your order bags. Our team will confirm when your store is live and your terminal will start to receive orders. When your store is set up, please check your delivery zones and charges via the portal to make sure you're offering maximum delivery coverage to your customers. Once your business is up and running, we're always on hand to help you grow your orders and answer any questions you may have. You'll have access to a 24/7 specialist support team who are available to help with any technical issues or queries you have. In addition, you'll be enrolled in our Flipdish Academy, a tool designed and built to educate you on how to grow your business and utilize the tools available to you. We're ready to work with you and grow your business and increase your online orders. Welcome to Flipdish.